With the addition of some compost and some pelletised organic manure, this veggie bed is ready for our autumn crops. This is a full sun spot, so it's perfect for things like cabbage, kale, and one of my favourites, broccoli. And this one is a sprouting broccoli. Once the main head of broccoli bambino is picked, it will then send up lots of side shoots for a continuous harvest. Toscano Nero kale is the perfect cool season green for easy picking. Just harvest it leaf by leaf as you need it. And I've got a punnet of cabbage sugar sweet. Remember to check the label for the spacing between plants. Then gently separate each plant out and pop them in the ground at the correct spacing. This cabbage is an early cropper and a compact grower. Of course, water everything in well now, and then you might not think about it because it is the cooler months, but it's a good idea to use some mulch. This will help to suppress weeds and retain moisture. And because it is the cooler season, you don't need a really thick layer, just a light sprinkle will do. And of course, a regular liquid feed will help to keep them thriving throughout the cooler months.